What up, guys? What's going on? Today we're gonna be doing some little things to basic. One, we're gonna be installing some new plate LED lights because somebody decided to cut them, so I had to go buy some new ones. So we're gonna install those today, and also I'm gonna be putting in a new, not new, but I'm gonna put a flag on the hood para el Día de la Independencia de México, que es el sábado. Y pues mañana y el sábado vamos a ir a andar roleteando en las calles de Chicago. Yo ya saw a little glimpse. Pero pues vamos a ver qué show. So some bitch ass motherfucker decided it'll be funny to cut my fucking plate lights. Why? I don't know. They did it to both sides. So we're gonna be putting some new ones in. Let's see. It looks like the same ones. So we'll see how bright they are compared to the old ones. All right, we got the new ones in. Let's see how they turn on. See how bright they are. Might not be able to see because it's daylight still, but let's see what's up. All right, well, it's still daylight. It's like 5 o'clock, but fucking bright as fuck. I say it's a win today, boys. But whoever cut these off, you have a special place in hell. Alright, so I'm gonna give y'all a quick walk around of the truck. It's just dirty as fuck. But it's a 2007 F-150, cracked windshield, cut special. Got 20 by 10s, negative 12 millimeter offset on 33 by 12.5 tires, off of Rex Nova series. Headlights, 12 gen mirrors with the sequential turn signals here. But it's just dirty. Pop the hood because I'm about to put a Mexican flag aquí en el cofre. Le vamos a quitar la parrilla para que se pueda poner bien. And it's a flare side. I got it repainted a few years ago, but I think it's time for a new paint job, or I think I'm gonna wrap it. So, I mean, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what's up. The cut special. All right, to take off the bolts for the grill. It's 10 millimeter bolts, but I'm gonna have to use pliers or channel locks because the freaking bolts keep turning when I turn the bolts. So hopefully that'll work. Get this motherfucker off. Pero ahí quedó la basic con su bandera. Un poco chueca, pero whatever. Mañana la vamos a lavar para irnos dando la vuelta un rato. Later downtown. A ver qué show con la raza allá en downtown. Okay, I'll show you guys the lights so you'll see if y'all like them or not. I put a Lariat cluster on it. Mine is a STX, so it works. Lo único pedo, pues no, I ain't got no AC, but what do you need AC for when you got windows, bro? Yeah. Turn the bitches on. So these came off a 2012 F-150. But I put these on because these don't come factory. This side do. These are Alpha Rex headlights, the Nova series. Smoked. They're not that smoked though, but they're decent. Sequential as well. Run about 13 with taxes and stuff. Turn on the lights too, but still daylight out, so can't really tell. I'll take a night shot ahí después para que la miren bien. But yeah, there's my truck, 2007 F-150 STX. I call it basic. I mean, I've been working on this truck for a while now, pero pues I almost seguirle para adelante. We're gonna make some new videos. I got a lot of things planned for it. I usually park it for the wintertime, so I might not post as much. I'll post some stuff that I'm gonna be buying for it here and there, pero pues, you know, we'll see still about wrapping it or repainting it. I don't know yet. But yeah, if you guys like the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the little bell notification so y'all know when I upload again. And I'm sure I'll be uploading some videos de Independence Day here in Chicago para que vean cómo se pone la raza ahí en el downtown. Bien loca, como el año, ya hace años ya se pone bien loca la gente, pero pues vamos a ir un rato tomorrow and Saturday to see what's up. You know, gonna hang out with the crew for a little bit with a couple guys from high school and stuff. But all right, bro, y'all take care. Peace. Also, I'll be leaving a link for these headlights, for these turn signals, for the headlights. I mean, not headlights, the mirrors, and the LED lights for the plates. That way, if y'all want to buy some, y'all can use my link to get some. Yeah, I know this shit has a big gap, whatever. Es mía, no tuya, wey.